What's up, everyone? We're doing group break number 18, SYP GB Single box break. I'm going to read off the teams real quick. Just to save time, Keyline Cards has every team except the following. So, Lisa, you have Columbus, Winnipeg, and St. Louis. Ed, you have New Jersey, Los Angeles, and San Jose. Keyline has everything else. So we're going to roll. 1 through 3 is going to be top box. 4 through 6 is going to be bottom. 4. All right. Good luck, everybody. I guess Lisa, Ed, and Keyline. Let me get... All right. We have an authentic jumbo materials of James Van Riemsdyk for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Toronto Maple Leafs. So that is Keyline. Next, we have for the Colorado Avalanche from OPG Platinum, we have a short print autograph of Jarome Iginla. Hard signed autograph. That's actually a really nice card. Keyline. And will he go for the home run? He does. We have from 13-14 Dominion for the Detroit Red Wings, Pavel Datsyuk, Peerless patch, numbered out of 99. The Magic Man. So there you go, guys. Thanks for everyone who joined. Well, the 3 of you, we will be back with case number 3, which will still have the case hit in it.